Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to change backgrounds and slide colors in PowerPoint. Start by selecting the slide you want to edit. Go to the Design tab and click Format Background. A side panel will appear with several fill options. Choose Solid Fill for a simple background and select your color. Use Gradient Fill to add depth and a smooth color transition. You can customize the direction, color stops, and angle of the gradient. To use an image as your background, select Picture or Texture Fill. The picture source can be local storage, stock image, online picture, and from icons. Browse for picture and click Insert and choose your image file. Adjust the transparency to make sure your text is readable. The next option is Pattern Fill. Select the pattern style you like. Change the color of foreground. You can also change the background color of the pattern. For brand consistency, click Apply to All to set the same background across all slides. Once satisfied, close the Format Background panel and save your file. Thank you for watching Full Course Online. Stay tuned for more lessons to make your PowerPoint presentations look amazing.